let's crack on. First thing we need to do is get these bumpers off and the grill off. So the first thing we need to do is undo the bumper. So you've got these star bits, T25 star drive bits. So there's 2 there. Just them ones. These are handy little tools as well, little palm ratchet. Nice and easy to get in the gaps with. Once you've got that undone, you'll find there's another one under there. So you have to get that one off as well. That one comes out. Another T25. So once you've got that screw out there, you've basically got, you can see it up there, 2 10mm nuts. So you've got to undo them, and then that bit pulls away. You've then got these bolts under here to take the bumper off, and that's the T27 bit. Oops. So I'll get these off. There's also 3 T25 bits that hold the wheel arch liner to the bumper. You have to take them off as well. So the grill has clips in at the top. These seem to be missing for some reason, and then it just clips out there on the bumper. That came off nice and easy. So I've got to say, these bumpers are an absolute nightmare to get off. Hope you appreciate this, Mr. Saxton. So you've got to take the water bottle off, yeah, little 10mm nut. You got to move the water bottle. Oh, Jesus. There you go. To get to that nut, and the other one is inside that hole there. That's to get this front piece off, here and here, which are bolted from behind as opposed to from the front where you think they would be. Just when you thought that was all the nuts and bolts you have to take out, oh no. Right. Take this off. And then roll spider webs just in there. You'll see another one. So just in there, you see that one there, the bottom one on the left. That's the one you've got to take out. And that one, incidentally, is a T30 star drive piece. So you need a T27, a T25 and a T30. And a lot of patience. And small hands. I've got 2 of the 3 things. I haven't got small hands. Right. Take the front piece off, and then just in there there's another T30 piece. It's really tight, isn't it? So if any of you have been struggling to remove the bumpers on Volkswagen T5s, now you know how. Now you know, what an absolute ball it. In all fairness, Volkswagen are notorious for making things hard to get off. That is how you remove the bumper on a T5. All we need to do now is undo the electric sensors, which just clip behind. Awesome.